Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. This is Fujitsu Esprimo P558/E85. So anytime that you power it on, you have this, and you enter the BIOS. The BIOS is empty. So if you enter the BIOS, there's a password on it. So as you can see, it says enter password. So this is it. Fujitsu E5 this. Now to solve this issue, power it off. Open the case. Once you open the case, onto the board, we have many jumpers around it, and as you can see here, on this, that right onto where the SATA connectors are. Beside it, you have this here. You have this jumper. You have this jumper slots here. As you can see, we have this jumper here. So once you have this jumper here, now remove it. Just remove that. This is it. Once you remove it, now you can see we have no more. So you bridge it with this. Right, so you see it here. You can see this is how it is being slotted. First it was slotted this way. Now we have bridged it this way. So now once again, power it on. Once again, power it on, and press the F2 to enter the BIOS settings. Right, so just power it on here. Keep pressing the F2 to enter the BIOS again. Right, so you can see now the BIOS has been reset. So that is just how to reset this one. As you can see there, we have the jumper crossed. As you can see, we have the jumpers crossed. So you can see we have the jumpers crossed here. So you can see that. So now that we have done this, so power it off once again, and just replace all the jumpers back to where the jumper was. Now let's change the jumper back to the default situation. It defaults it. You can see that here. So remove it. Once you remove it here, slot it back to where it was. Right. You can see how it is. So now, as it has been changed, so let's power it on again. Keep pressing the F2 to enter the BIOS again, then you can see that it is being set. Let's go to the BIOS again. Right, so you can see the BIOS has been reset. So if you check here, you can see that it is being set as it is. So you can see how it is. You see it's being set back to its default spots. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to reset this Fujitsu E5 Fujitsu P558. That is just how simple it is to reset the BIOS settings. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So we see you on our next video. Peace out.